What's up, guys? It's been a while, so let me explain a little bit. So here's the truck in all its glory. It's still here. I haven't, unfortunately, been able to take it and get it tuned yet. But I'll go ahead and go over what I've added on there, what the hell has been going on, and what I'm about to do with it. Yeah. I threw an ISR turbo on here. It's a 50 trim. So 63 exhaust side housing, pretty much the same exact setup as what I had on here. It's just from, you know, ISR with a warranty instead of being from Max Speeding Routes, who wouldn't even let me get a fucking O-ring from them for the housing right here, because when I took it off the other one to paint it, it ripped, so I couldn't get one. That's one of the reasons I wanted to get a better one. That's petty as fuck, to be honest, but whatever. I wanted a better reliable turbo, so I bought a fucking better one. ISR turbo, Turbo Smart Ultra Gate. You can't see it down there because she's tiny and she's pretty, and it's gonna do everything I needed to do. 7 PSI all day long. And then I'll also have it hooked into the boost controller, but I only, right there, can't really see it, but I'm gonna have that hooked into the boost controller, but I'm gonna leave it at 7 pounds for now. Just break it in for a while, have some fun with it. I want to do something conservative so I can beat the shit out of it for a little bit and tell you how I really like it. So yeah, ISR, Turbo Smart, external 38mm wastegate. I threw an ISR adjustable fuel pressure regulator kit on here. I'm gonna do a separate video about that because I actually was the first that ISR or Juku could have told me that did this, or, you know, they couldn't really tell me if it worked or not. It did. I used the kit for the, you can see it there, it's an adapter for the, basically it says it's for like the KA24E, or KA24DE, I'm sorry, not the E. It says it's for the DE, for the, you know, SR, blah, 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 everything. So I looked up all the years from 89 to 99 to 40SX fuel pressure regulators, and they were all the same. So therefore the adapter should work if it works for the KA24DE. Tried to put my finger in the middle of that to point at it, but whatever, it didn't work. Threw a coolant reservoir overflow tank in there and a, you know, billet aluminum battery tray. Billet, I guess. I mean, it's nice for what it was. It was like 40 bucks. And then I did a lot of rewiring on the truck. So you can see there I have a circuit breaker over there now. That's for a fuel pressure or fuel pump relay kit I installed. I ordered a painless fuel pump relay kit, and then went ahead and powered that to my 255 liter per hour fuel pump from TRE Performance. You know, I can show you all a little bit, I guess, but it's not working for me. But yeah, so I dropped the tank, cleaned the tank out, put a new fuel pump in it, 255 liter per hour fuel pump. Yeah, fuel pressure regulator, cleaned the tank. I know I'm forgetting stuff, but anyways, I go on trips for my work and I don't really have service, so there's been a couple weeks I haven't been able to get anything, but the last thing I'm doing before I take the fucking truck to tune, the last thing, and you pretty much have my word on this, because I'm done with everything. I've done everything I can think of to do. The last thing I'm doing is fixing these butt splices. It's terrifying and ugly, and I'm going to basically take the harness that I ordered. It should be here in a couple days from dude Brom Nissan on all the forums of hard bodies. Basically going to take that apart, compare it to the other one, rewire everything the factory way, and solder them together so it looks nice, and then I'll have a whole another harness that I can either keep or sell or whatever. But I had the stock ECU plugged in for power purposes to test the fuel pump relay, and then I also have a Planted Technology seat bracket over there, and so you can guess what I got. I don't have it show to you right now. It's in the house, but got a very nice seat to go in here that my lovely girlfriend bought me for Christmas. So But yeah, I wanted to give y'all a little update, man. I'm sorry it's been a little while, and you know, I'm not gonna rush this. You know, obviously I'm not rushing it because it's not done yet, but I'm greatly anticipating it, and I want it done more than anything ever. So yeah, my goal is to drop it off this upcoming Monday. You know, see about getting this tune done. So appreciate y'all for watching. Sorry it's been a little while. Definitely been a little bit more active on my Instagram, so check that out if you haven't. Same tag, Street Trader Garage on Instagram. So just check me out, man. I appreciate y'all for your support. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll see y'all soon, man.